going on, man? Like, it's been a while. My girl, she surprised me with a gift when Christmas, with a time to go and learn how to shoot and go to the gun range and all that fun shit. Well, I've done it before, I want to say twice. She's never done it. So it's going to be an interesting time in itself. How you feel about it?
I'm scared.
Yeah, I told her we're going to have to get
I've never shot a gun before.
Which is crazy because her house is filled with all types of guns. Anyways.
My childhood home, not current.
Well, yeah. But yeah, I told her we was gonna need some training because I wasn't gonna be responsible for her shooting herself if it happened. So she already knows it ain't on me. You better get your shit together. Hey, we can see how this goes. What's going on? P. Frank here. Girl got me a good gift for Christmas time, so it's time for us to use it. We're over here at the gun range, and it's time for us to get some lessons. First time shooter behind the camera, second time shooter right here. So we got a lot of learning. It could be a fun time, a lot of laughs. Let's have some fun. Man, ooh, we survived. Man, that shit was a hell of an experience, man. They gave us A1 service, man, and they gave us training for a good 20 minutes, broke down everything, made us feel comfortable, and then we went out there and did our thing on the range.
It was scary.
How was the first experience?
I was petrified at first.
You was jumping all over the place and scared of the loud noises, but you got comfortable and you actually shot the gun really, really well, so it'll definitely be something that we go back to and probably frequent, maybe get our own eventually one day. But should definitely, if you've never experienced it before, go out and give them a shot, man.
INPAX.
INPAX. Peace.